Hey everyone, Morteza here with Heartbeat, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create custom cancellation flows with Heartbeat payments. Let's dive in. To get started, I'm going to go ahead and visit my admin settings in the bottom left corner of my community, so over here. And then I'm going to go into the offers section over here. And so to add a cancellation flow to an offer, I can edit an existing offer, or I can go ahead and just create a new one. So that's what we're going to do right now is we'll just make a new offer. I just want to make a really basic paid membership, so I'm going to call this my test paid membership. And then I can go ahead and add in a basic membership tier. So I'm going to call this basic tier test. And I'm going to go ahead and set a price point over here. We'll charge $50 a month for this. I'm going to hit save. I'm not going to worry about like any of the access to the content that they can see right now. And on the next page, I'm going to go ahead and set up the offer for this. I'll turn off all of this just again to keep it simple. And then finally, I'm going to get to my cancellation flows page over here. So this is going to be the fourth step, the last step of actually creating a paid offering in Heartbeat. Now, with cancellation flows, there's two pieces to this. In the first half of cancellation flows, what we can do is we can provide people some other offers or some other options for them rather than canceling their subscription with the community. So I can add a step over here and I could suggest a discount. So I could say, hey, totally understand that the price may be an issue. And so what if we offered you like a 50% off discount for the next 3 months? You could also offer them a new offer, right? So maybe you have 3 tiers inside of your membership. You've got like a bronze, silver, and gold. They're currently on the gold tier, and you can say, hey, you could actually downgrade to the silver. You can get access to some of this stuff. It's going to cost a little bit less, but that way, you're still able to get some value out of the community at a lower price point. Or last thing is you could show up like an entirely custom pop-up as well too. If you want to bring them to often like external sites or there's like different areas of the community that you want to bring them to, this is going to be your more like kind of free form and custom option. So what I can do over here is I could suggest a discount and I could say, hey, you can actually enjoy 50% off your next 3 months if you stay. And I can add in some like nice description text over here, which just says, stick around at half the price. And, I could add in some more stuff over here if I want to, and then I can go ahead and pick a coupon. So I've got this 50% coupon that I went ahead and built out in Stripe. If I want to go build out more coupons in Stripe, I can click this view coupon button and that'll actually take me to my coupons in Stripe. So I could click this, go create a coupon, and then just like refresh this list over here to like re-pull that information from Stripe. So over here, I can see what it's actually going to look like for my customers. So when you click the cancel button, the very first thing that you're going to see is actually, hey, you can enjoy 50% off your next 3 months if you stick around, claim this deal, they can accept the discount, and this will stop the cancellation and just automatically apply the discount to their profile. The other thing that I could do is, hey, if I remove this, I can go ahead and say, what if we just suggest a different offer? And over here, maybe I've got like a different offer or even like a hidden tier, right? Like we've seen some communities do this where your normal tier is like $50 a month, but you can also have like a hidden bootstrap tier, which is $25 a month. And it comes with a little bit less than what the like main tier comes with, but you still get, again, value out of the community. And I could add in something like get access to our premium channels and courses, or how about this? Keep access to our premium channels and courses with our bootstrap tier, right? And I could do this, and I could have like a different hidden tier over here that I can basically grab, and I can have them, downgrade. Obviously, this one's like more expensive than our $50 a month, but you get the gist of I could have a different tier where people can choose that. They can downgrade and subscribe to this instead of canceling their existing subscription. So we get a couple options over here. I'm just going to go back and add in that discount over here too. So we're going to grab that 50% off coupon and add it. And then the second piece over here is I can add in a cancellation survey. So if they reject the offer that I provide over here, then I can go ahead and add in a cancellation survey. So I can see, I can ask them and get some information about why they're actually going ahead and canceling. This text looks pretty good over here, but of course you can change and edit this as well. And these are the preset options that we have available for you. This is what we find is like the most common reasons that people are going to cancel a subscription. But we could also add in like a different, response option if we wanted to, right? Of, we could say content not helpful in achieving goals. So I could do that. Here, let me just fix that spelling error over there. And now I've got 5 different options that you can choose from, and I can move this up a little bit higher if I wanted this to appear a little bit higher on the list. The last thing that I could do is add in a like free response field. This is just gonna have like a little text input where they can add in maybe like a sentence or two around why they wanted to cancel. Again, just helpful to get some of that free form content as well in terms of understanding why are people staying versus why are people leaving. And now I can just see what this is gonna look like on the right side, where if they start a cancellation attempt, we're gonna first suggest a discount where they can get 50% off. And if they reject that, then we have the cancellation survey. And then finally we finish with the cancel complete. So I can preview this right over here by clicking preview flow. And this is what it's gonna look like when someone clicks the cancellation button. So I click cancel, and then I see this pop-up come up where I can accept a discount if I wanted to, or I can decline the offer. I can see that there's like a cancellation survey. So I could say, hey, the content isn't helpful. Drop in a little bit more text over here and then submit the feedback. When I click submit the feedback, this is gonna go ahead and actually cancel my membership with the community. And so I will lose access at the end of my billing period. So with that covers everything in terms of how you can create and set up these cancellation flows on an offer. What's nice is cancellation flows are like offer specific. So you can have different cancellation flows for like your low ticket offers versus your high ticket offers. So you can build a little bit more flexibility around this, just depending on the context that you have, why someone might be canceling like a certain specific offer. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions as you are setting up these cancel flows inside of your community, you can always reach out to us by using the little help button in the bottom right corner of your community over here, or email our support team directly at support@heartbeat.chat.